In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sign up form on Mailchimp. Start by logging into your account. Then next in the left panel, go to Forms. Then next is click on Create Pop-up Form. Now from this page, select the type of sign up form you'd like to create. So here you have an option to create a discount sign up form, free shipping, free content, free consultation, and a lot more. Just click on your choice. Then next select a template design that matches your filters and click on create form. Now, after selecting your template design, use the form builder to add or edit fields like email address, first name, or last name. You can also customize the design, colors, and text to match your brand. Once done, click on Save and Review. And once your form is ready, click on Publish or Schedule. And if it's an embedded form, copy the embed code and paste it into your website. Now, if it's a hosted form, simply share the sign up link. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!